Hi all of you, back with another video on Git. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create branch and also merge it as well to your master branch. So many of you are thinking right now that what is branch, what is Git branch. So let me show you first that. Okay, let me write here Git branch. So git branch command lets you create a list, rename, delete branch, doesn't let you switch between branches or put a forked history back together again. I think many of you are now still confused, so let me show you by by drawing that stuff. Okay, where is my whiteboard? So now let me show you first. Okay, there is no space. I think I should zoom out a little bit, but uh, it is not working. So let me show you here. Okay, so let's say that uh, these are your commits. Okay, so this is these are your commit. Okay, and this is your master branch. Master branch is your branch which you always work on, which I showed you always. Okay, that is your master branch. So suppose that you are working in a company right now, and your manager say that you have to uh, create a branch of this repository. Okay, and you can work it out on you can add stuff with whatever you want, you can add your code whatever you want. Okay, and after that you can show me if I find that useful, I will merge that branch. You can merge that branch. Okay, you can merge that branch in the master branch. So this is a master branch. Okay, so how it works, you can create a branch like this. You can create a branch like this. Okay, so when your manager find it useful, so he will allow to merge you. So how can you merge? You can merge by again going here. Okay, so it will create impact, it will create that uh, modified stuff which you have done. So that's how the work goes in the company. So let me show you by doing practically, because by drawing this stuff you will not understand. Okay, so let me just open my ip copy my ip of this machine, git 1. Okay, I'm not starting the second machine because I in this video I just want to show you how to create branch. Also you can check this because this is your important topic. Okay, let me do sudo su to be a root user. Let me now clear the screen. Let me first change the color of the font. Let me change to yellow. Yeah, that is looking good. So now let me show you. If you write git branch, you can check in which branch you are right now. Git branch, fatal not a git repository or any parent directory. So you are now in master branch. So first you have to make a branch. So how to make branch? Let me first show you what is here. Okay, I'm not in my git repository. First you have to go here, Singapore git. Now if I run this command git branch, so now you can see that it is showing master. Okay, star means you are in the master branch, and also there is nothing uh, also there is also there is no branch. As you all can see, there is only master branch and you are in it. Star is showing that. Okay, so how to create branch? You can, so first let me show you what is the stuff I have in this repository. ls car, if I do cat car, so now it contains all the stuff. Okay, all the stuff here you can see. Okay, so it's time to first clear the screen. So if I create a branch, okay, now I am creating a branch. So this is my file car. Okay, let me make it with another color. This is my uh, file car, and now I have not created, let me rub this stuff first. I am not created I have not created now the branch, but now I am creating. Okay, first let me run a command, git branch. uh, what git branch, what name should I give to my another branch? I want to give branch, what should I give? Git branch. Then I am not getting the right name. Let me write branch 1. Okay, for now branch 1. So now if I run that command, git branch, now you can see that the branch 1 is created. Okay, and but you are now still in master branch. Okay, but the moment you made the branch, the moment you make another branch, all the stuff contained by the master branch will be copied to that branch as well. Okay, because you have to do change in the master branch, so the company will not allow you to make changes in the master branch, but company will allow you to create a new branch. It contains all the stuff which contained by the master branch, and after that you can do, you can change, you can modify the stuff in your branch which is created by yourself. Okay, so now let me show you here. So now you have created a branch. Okay, this is your, let me write with this is your master branch. Okay, this is your master branch. I'm writing with my mouse. Okay, that's why this spelling is horrible. Okay, so let me rub this, let me write it again, master. Okay, and this one is your which branch? Branch 1. Okay, let me write here branch, just let me write here B for now. There is no space and there is no enough space. Let me write B1. B1 means branch 1. Okay, so now you have created a branch 1, and these all are your commits. Okay, so I'm not making a circle right now. So now let me switch to that branch 1. Okay, how can I do that? Git branch, git checkout is for checking out, git checkout branch 1. You have to write the name of that branch in which you want to enter, branch 1. Okay, so now you can see that switched to branch 1. Okay, if I now run git branch, now you can see that you are now in branch 1. Okay, and let me do ls. It contains that file also which your master branch contains. Okay, let me do this for you all, cat car. Now you can see that it contains all the stuff which your master branch contains. Okay, all the stuff. So let me do git log as well for you all. Okay, so now you can see that it contains all the commits which the master branch contains. Let me show you git log as well, git log hyphen 1 line, git log hyphen 1 line. Okay, now you can see that it contains all the stuff, all the commits which are done by your master branch. Let me switch to master branch again. Okay, to show you that it also contains these logs. Okay, git checkout master. It's time to write master here, master. So now you can see that your branch is up to date with origin master. Okay, so now let me show you git log hyphen 1 line, git log hyphen 1 line. Okay, okay, I have to write space as well. So now you can see that it contains all that stuff which your branch 1 contains, because a branch 1 is created by this branch. Okay, so that's why it contains it. So let me again check out. Okay, let me go to branch 1 for now to show you some amazing things. Branch 1. now you can see that switched to branch 1. So let me do ctrl plus sl to clear the screen. Okay, so now if I edit something, okay, now let me, so now not edit, let me create a new file for you all. Okay, let me create a new file, like let me create the cat, what should I write, cat, uh, let me write bike. So my file name is bike. Okay, so now I'm in this file. Let me write like Yamaha, okay, Honda and your Suzuki for now. Okay, I think yeah, this is good. Now it's time to go out as well by pressing ctrl plus d. Now if I go to that branch, that master branch, let me first show you where I am. Okay, I am in branch 1. Okay, so let me go and go to master branch, git checkout master. Okay, git checkout master. So if I do ls, now it is showing you bike as well, bike file as well. Why it is showing? Because that file is now in your working space, which means that file is now in your working space, so it will visible by all the branches. Okay, if there are 10 branches, it will be visible by the 10 as well. Okay, so now let me again go to that branch 1 by doing git checkout branch 1. Okay, so now if it's time to commit, it's time to first add to the staging area, to this area. It's time to add to this area, staging area. So what is the command for that? Git add bike, the name of the file. Okay, now it is added. If now it's time to commit as well, git commit -m and git commit -m. Now it's time to type a message like this is commit from branch 1. Okay, so it's time to press enter. So now you can see that one file is changed and 3 insertions means 3 lines are modified. Okay, so now it's time to clear screen as well. So now it's time to check out again. Okay, check out master. Okay, master. If I do git, if I do first ls, now you can see that the bike file is not visible anymore, because you have let me show you, you have added to stage area as well as you have committed it to your local repo, so it is not visible anymore. Okay, let me rub this. So your file is now here. Okay, so let me show you one thing as well. If I do git log -, one line. Okay, let now it's time to check out. Okay, git check out to branch 1 again, branch 1. If I do git log -, one line, so now you can see here that it contains one commit more. Okay, it contains one commit more. It means that you can see that it contains only 4 commit, but this contains 5 commit, because the one commit is committed from the branch 1, so it will be not visible by the master branch. Okay, so this thing you have to note it as well. Also you can try this stuff by yourself. The more practice you do on this Git and GitHub, the more the more perfect you will be on this concept, because the branch concept will be asked by the interviewer in your interview. Okay, so this is the most important concept of Git and GitHub. Also, I forgot one thing that I forgot I should told you in the first video of my Git and GitHub. I forgot. I don't know how. So you have to install Git, only Git. Okay, so I only told you to install GitHub, to create an account on GitHub, but to commit, to push and pull the code, you have to uh, create an account on this. Also, you have to install it as well. So after installing, you will find that there is your git bash here. Okay, it will also a command line interface, as you can see that. Okay, so it is also a command line, so you should install this as well. Without this you can't do any commit, any push pull code. You can't even add to your staging area. Okay, so without this you can't do that. Okay, so yeah, just I want to say that. Now it's time to uh, show you something more. Okay, so yeah, so let me check where I am. Git branch. Okay, so now I am currently in my branch 1. So let me show you that you have committed one thing. Now it's time to merge. Okay, now it's time to merge in your this master branch. Okay, this is your master branch. So now it's time to merge. How can you do that? There is a command. So let me open GitHub as well for you all. Okay, to show you that my before merging the branch. Okay, where is my repo? There is my repository. Okay, now you can see here, but it doesn't contains any file which has name bike. Okay, it contains only car file. Okay, now it's time to merge the branch. How to merge? Let me show you. Git. Let me first check out to the master 1. Okay, let me check out to git. Where is my command? Git checkout master. Okay, so now it's time to merge the branch. How to merge? Git merge. You have to enter space as well. Okay, git merge. Now you have to write the name of that branch. Okay, git merge branch 1. So now you can see that updated, fast forwarded bike, that the file name was bike. Okay, one file, 3 insertions, which means 3 lines. Okay, so now let me see that it is updated or not. So it is not updated. Why it is not updated? Because you have to push the code for that. Okay, let me show you. Now you have merged this branch here. Okay, now you have merged, but your file is now here. You have to push. So there is the process. You have to push the file to GitHub as well. So you have to run the command for that. Let me clear the screen. Git push origin. Okay, master. So now it is asking username for that. Let me write Saitya Gupta 25. Okay, now it is asking me for a password. Let me generate a token. Okay, because now you so in 2022 there is no option to write your password. You have to generate a token first. Okay, now I have to write my password as well. So let me give a password to generate a token. It is saying that my password is incorrect. So now it's time to write anything. Let me write git. Okay, you can write anything you want. Okay, now it's time to generate a token. Okay, so you have to check all the boxes you want. You can do without that as well, but I prefer always checking all the boxes. Now it's time to generate a token. Now copy this, and now it's time to paste here by pressing only right click once. It will not you can't see that because that is private credentials. Okay, now it's time to type enter. Now everything is gone according to me. So now it's time to uh, check the repo. So I pushed my file to the repo. So now you can see that it contains bike. Okay, so it contains all the stuff. Okay, so that's how you can merge the branch. Okay, that's how you can create a branch, that's how you can merge a branch. So I think this video finds you very useful. Okay, if this video finds you useful, you can subscribe to it, as well as you can share with your friends. Okay, so this is my message. This is coming from branch was, as you all know. So now you can see here it is also showing that branch 1. So it is showing that there was branch 1. Okay, it is merged by branch 1. Okay, I think this video finds you very beneficial. Okay, so yeah, just subscribe the channel. Also don't forget to close the machine. Where is my machine? There it is. Close this. Okay, don't forget to close this, not close, stop this. Okay, so let me just close this window. So now, so I think yeah, that's about for today. And just practice this concept git branch. And I will, if you want to read the stuff about this git branch, also you have to check the commands. So you don't have to watch video again and again. You can check the document which is in the description. It contains all commands as well as the theory part of the git branch. Okay, I will meet you in my next video.